Today we're going to show you how to use mobile data transfer. It utilizes your GS3 mobile data transfer stick and a cell phone or tablet with an internet connection. On your phone or tablet, download the mobile data transfer app. Once downloaded, open the app and move the center file icon to which location you want to transfer. Today we're moving the files to the Operations Center, so we swap the file icon up to the cloud. Instructions will appear on your screen, and insert your mobile data transfer device into the USB of the display. Press the Export Data button and enter a profile name, then select Begin Transfer. This transfers the files from the display to the mobile data transfer stick. The amount of data on the display determines the amount of time it will take to transfer the files. When the transfer is complete, press Accept. Go to your phone or tablet and slide the check mark at the bottom of the screen to the right. A new list of instructions will appear explaining the next steps. Exit the app and open your device Wi-Fi settings. Then search for John Deere MDT Wi-Fi network and connect. For first-time connections, enter the Wi-Fi password, which is Deere MDT. Once connected to the Wi-Fi, return to your mobile data transfer app. Now you can select what data you want to transfer: setup data, documentation data, or both. Today we are transferring both. Files will begin to transfer, and when successful, you can unplug the mobile data transfer stick. Your display will then return back to normal operation. Today we're going to send files using mobile data. For first-time users, you will have to enter in your username and password for your myjohndeere.com account. Log in, then select the organization you want the data to go to, and select Continue. The files will begin transferring to your Operations Center. You've now successfully transferred the files. The next time you log into your myjohndeere.com account and go to the Operations Center, your files will be there to use.